In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an agent with Base44. We'll move from a blank slate to a working super agent, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing. By the end, you'll understand what each screen means, how to craft a solid prompt, and what to do if you're asked to connect services. Start by opening Base44 in your browser. This takes you into the app where you'll see the main workspace. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the navigation items appear. That ensures you can access the tools you need without refreshing or getting stuck on a partial view. On the left side, look for the option labeled Super Agent and click it. This section is where advanced agents live. Think of a super agent as the brain of your workflow. It follows your instructions, uses the tools you enable, and can connect to approved data sources. Landing here means you're in the right place to create, configure, and manage everything related to your agent. Now choose Create Super Agent. This opens the setup panel where you'll define what your agent should do. The goal is to be specific and practical, so the agent has clear guidance and you get predictable results. In the prompt area, you can either type your own instructions or pick one of the suggested prompts provided on the page. If you're writing your own, make it purposeful. Briefly define the agent's role, the audience it will help, and the exact outcome you want. Add constraints and formatting preferences, like preferred tone, length, or a bullet-style summary at the end. If there are edge cases to avoid, state them. Short examples of ideal input and output can also sharpen the agent's behavior. If the suggestions fit your scenario, selecting one is a quick way to start and you can refine it later. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit. Base44 will spin up the agent using your instructions. If something looks off in the preview or description, you can return to the prompt and adjust the wording for clarity, then submit again. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. If a connection screen appears, click Connect to grant the agent access it needs. This usually authorizes it to read or act within approved services so it can provide richer, more accurate results. Review the permissions shown, proceed only with sources you trust, and remember you can manage connections later if your needs change. That's it. You opened Base44, went to Superagent, created a superagent, added a clear prompt, submitted it, and connected when prompted. You're ready to put your new agent to work.